Hey people, it's a Friday and as usual I am running because I need to go and pick up my child from today. I'll be going to New York Academy because that's where my child studies, and this is the first time like in 2021 that the school is reopened and my child is going to school. So I've got to rush, and it's as of yesterday I was watching this movie called Red Dot, and that is on Netflix, and it's a nice film, but if you want to see the locales, like as in they show you Sweden and where you can see the northern lights. It's all about a couple who go for a weekend getaway to see the northern lights, and in return there's a whole it's a scary film, like scary as in that's what these trekkers and hikers who go, in these lonely, isolated spots, things that can happen. So anyway, it's a English film. It's called The Red Dot, and you can find it on Netflix. It's a 1 minute video, and I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.